Hi, my name is Miguel Fernandez, and I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence, or AI, and how it will become increasingly personalized these days. First of all, we have to notice AI is here. Since we say Siri send a message, Alexa play some music, or Google what's the temperature, and that is telling us AI is here, and it's telling us that an array of algorithms is coming to control our Internet Connect devices. Also, we all know these big ideas or big, great projects related with AI. We have already seen it even in movies. But what about something smaller, a small project, a more personalized one? For example, a kitchen appliance or a wearable. That will be great and also more comfortable. Also, we don't have to worry about this consciousness, free will machines who will control us and control our data in our house, because that is not going to happen. That is not how AI works. Also, privacy. About privacy, researchers are developing methods in order that the machines could use part of our data or just use our whole data, but without actually seeing it. Also, for example, we all know face recognition. We all know this in our cell phones, in our computers. But AI does not want just face recognition and that's it. AI, what it actually wants is this networks of overlapping cameras, which will create a mesh of ambient intelligence. Also, a professor from the Stanford University, and I quote, whose name is Fei Fei Li, she said, intelligent systems will be able to understand the daily activities of a person, but also catch early patterns of medically relevant information. So it's from one part or another, like AI is in whatever sector. Also, it helps, for example, in streaming platforms. So, for example, Netflix, Spotify, it's based on what you've already seen, and it recommends you movies or songs. It's also even used, for example, to make black and white movies to color, or even add sound to silent movies.
More of the media we will consume in forward days or in future days will be generated by Google Open Source Magenta project, artificial intelligence, creating a set of applications that can perform music that is indistinguishable for human composers and producers. This is being achieved by feeding millions of songs into a network of artificial neurons that are connected to strings of computer code, generating thousands of millions of songs, voices, and sounds of instruments. Also, a Samsung associated company called Nano has been working in the development of a 2D animated character that could express gestures and emotions. This could be used in order to make educational services online better. As Joshua Bengio says, a professor of the University of Montreal, having a visual interaction with a face that expresses emotion, that expresses support, is very important for teachers. Well, as Bengio says, in order to communicate better with a human, you need to see its face, you need to express emotions. Also, well, artificial intelligence has been used in a world of possibilities, making new elements in the development of drugs, and has also been used in the development of COVID vaccines. This by narrowing the field of possibilities and the field of um, things a researcher needs to fetch for, that this could make the process even faster in order to fetch or found a vaccine. And the last point of here is that the Oxford University has been developing software that could be used to create software by an artificial intelligence. This costing a third of a time that an expensive developer takes in order to create manual code. So this envisions a day when everyone can create software by simply telling an AI system clearly what you want them to do.